Hi all, welcome back. And today I'm going to show you how to design a e-commerce website. So before getting into complete details, I'll just give a small introduction. This tutorial is for people who are beginners as well as advanced people to middle level WordPress practitioners. So this particular website is based on WordPress, which is a website building platform. And here I'm going to deal how to design a complete e-commerce website without any technical knowledge or else any coding knowledge, and how to execute it by placing orders, as well as how to integrate payment gateway, all those things. So you need not to have any technical knowledge, and this is in common man perspective. So coming to details which I'm going to deal today. So these are all the details. I'm going to start from very basic of theme installation, and I'm going to go step by step, including adding pages, products, as well as managing orders and payment gateway integration, all these things. So now we will get into small details, and I'm not going to take you through how to install WordPress, all those things. So I am going to just give a small simple solution. So I brought a WordPress hosting in GoDaddy. So in hosting, you will have two types of hosting. One is Windows hosting, another one is Linux hosting, and one more is WordPress hosting. So WordPress hosting is basically, when you choose WordPress hosting, there are four types of plans. When you choose WordPress hosting, it is completely dedicated to WordPress. So you need not to go through WordPress installation by downloading it and uploading through FTP and going through installation. GoDaddy itself, they will itself install WordPress on your domain name, and they will send you login details. So this is the way of skipping installation process of WordPress. So this makes your work even more easier. So if you are thinking to build a website on WordPress, you can completely rely on WordPress hosting, which is provided by GoDaddy. And of course, when I say e-commerce website, WordPress has complete facilities as well as complete capabilities for handling a whole e-commerce website. So e-commerce, e-commerce business. So you can take orders, as well as you can handle visitors. You can do all sort of e-commerce facilities on WordPress. So never think WordPress as a blogging tool. It's a complete web building tool, as well as e-commerce building tool, as well as it has even many other advanced solutions. So now let's take, I have brought this particular plan, a WordPress hosting plan. So as soon as I click on configure, GoDaddy itself installs this particular WordPress on my website and sends a username and login details to my website, to my email ID. So now this is the website. As soon as you load your domain name, this is a sample website page which you can see on your domain name. So now I am going to log into the backend of GoDaddy. So to log in into backend of GoDaddy, you have to just type your domain name and /wp-admin. So domain name and /wp and admin. So you have to type it. As soon as you type it, you will be asked for your username and password, which you have got from GoDaddy, to your email ID. So as soon as you enter your username and password, you will be redirected to a backend dashboard. So this is a very simple backend of WordPress, where you have very limited options, and of course they are yet very full-fledged and powerful options. So here you can see there are posts, pages, plugins, appearance, all these things. I am going to go one by one in detail, so that you understand what are all these options. So before that, we need to follow a small option in WordPress, where you have two types of options. So one will be your themes, another one will be your plugins. So now let's take, if I load my website. So this is my website. As soon as I load it, this sample page which is being shown here is a theme, and of course there are many themes which are available for free on WordPress, and you can install them for free, or else if you want premium themes, you can search in themeforest.com, which I usually follow to buy themes, and you can buy it from there itself. So themes are generally designs and layout of your website. So it enhances. So now if you see here, there is only one image and I have small text space here. If I install any e-commerce theme, and if I configure it as per my requirements, my website layout changes as well as my website design changes. So here if you see, any theme which you have which you install, you should activate it. Unless you activate your theme, your installed theme will not work out. Similarly, we have plugins as well. Plugins enhances your WordPress workability. So let's take, if I want slider, or else if I want menu in some other order, or else if I want to configure products. So now if you see here, this website don't have any e-commerce facility. So in order to enable this facility, I have to install any other plugin. So it enhances WordPress capability. So now if you see here, similarly as themes, even plugins, there are many plugins which are available for free, and you can install them as well as you can activate them to enhance capability. Any theme or plugin, if you are installing, you should activate it at any cost. So now I am going to change this layout of my website, and I am going to install a new theme. So as my aim is to design a e-commerce website, simple e-commerce website, I am going to install a e-commerce theme which is available for free. So now to install a new theme, I am going to appearance and themes. So as soon as I click on themes, you can see here what are all themes I have already installed. So I am going to add a new theme. I am just going to click on add new theme. So I have clicked on add new theme. And if you have brought any premium themes from any other third-party vendors, you can upload it here, choose file, and you can upload it here. Or else you can search WordPress free database which has many themes. Not only these themes, if you click on popular, you will get even many more themes, so which are available for installation. You can install them for free and you can use them. There are some lakhs of themes as well as lakhs of plugins. So now I am going to install a theme which is called online store, which is a very simple theme for designing e-commerce website, and it is very simple to understand. So that's why I am selecting this online store theme. So I have just clicked it and I am clicking on install. So I have just clicked on install. So install will be on the top. And after installation, you have to just click on activate. So I have just clicked on activate, and you can see here, as soon as I clicked on activate, I can check my website. So this is my website. I am reloading it. So can you see here, the layout of this whole website has been changed. So now I am going to check what are all the plugins. So some themes comes with integrated plugins. So as this is a e-commerce theme, these are all the plugins which are required for this particular theme. So once you install this theme, automatically WordPress will show you this theme recommends the following plugins and ask you to install these plugins. So just click on begin installing plugins and select all plugins. So once you click it on the top, all plugins will be selected in bulk actions. You just select install. So once I click install, all the plugins which I have selected will be installed, and as I said already, all these plugins has to be activated. So all the themes, all the plugins has been installed. Now I am going to click on return to required plugins installer, and I am going to select all and just click on activate. So all the plugins has been activated. So now if you recheck your website, if you reload it, you can see the layout has been again changed. You can see shop by category, as well as you can see cart symbol, and you can see my account. So all these things has been installed. So now I'm going to go back to dashboard, and I'm going to check whether everything is fine or not. So you can see here, as soon as I click on dashboard, WordPress is asking me to do some steps. So WooCommerce is basically a very good plugin which is used by around 90% of e-commerce websites. So any e-commerce website is completely dependent on WooCommerce plugin. So WooCommerce plugin basically enables cart functionality as well as login functionality, user login, as well as it automatically creates my account pages where users can check orders, where users can check their address, as well as it configures payment gateways and all those things. So now it's just 5 minutes installation. Just click on let's go. So remember this name, WooCommerce. This is a one and only plugin which is very effective and which is very useful for e-commerce functionality. So you can see here, you can see the page setup. So WooCommerce will automatically install shop, cart, checkout and my account pages for me. So I am just going to click on continue. So just click on continue, and I am going to select my state. Sorry, I am going to select my country as well as my state, India, and I am going to select Goa, and I am going to select my currency, Indian rupee, and it is asking me currency position of my rupee symbol. So I am just selecting it. It should be in the left, and I am selecting it should be in the left with space. So rupee symbol and then small space, and then comes the currency. So now I am going to click continue, and you can see here, will you be shipping products? Yes, I will be shipping physical goods to customers. So if you are charging any sales tax, you can just select it, and you can enter if your price is inclusive of sales tax, or it's exclusive of sales tax. So I'm just selecting inclusive of tax. So click on continue, and in the next window it will ask you to select what are the payment gateways or else payment methods which you want to employ on your e-commerce website. So you can see PayPal, Stripe, PayPal standard, check payments, as well as bank transfer, all these things. So for now you can just select cash on delivery. We will integrate payment gateway in a different method later on. So I'm just going to click on continue, and I'm just going to click on create first product. So as soon as I create first product, WordPress prompts me to create a first product, but I am not going to create a first product now. So I am going to reload my website, and I am going to check it how it looks like. So you can see here, so in my website nothing has changed. I got this shop by categories, all those things. So now this themes comes with a small option where you have to go. This theme particularly comes with a small option where you have to go to settings, click on reading, and you have to select your latest posts. So when you select your latest post, front page will display your latest posts. So let's take latest categories or else latest products. Your front page will display. So if you see this front page don't have anything. So if I click on your latest post, my latest post will be shown on my front page. If I click any static page, a static page will be shown. So now I am going to click on latest post, and I am going to click on save changes. So I have clicked on save changes, and I am going to reload it. So you can see here, as soon as I clicked on latest posts, so I've got a small slider here where I have a couple of images. This is one image and this is one image, and my whole layout has been changed, and it's showing no products found as I have not uploaded any products. So now I'm going to show you how to add pages as well as how to add content and how to add a menu. So now we will see what are all the chapters we have finished. So we have finished the theme installation, and we have seen e-commerce plugin installation, which is a WooCommerce, and the theme customization we will check it out. We will check now how you can customize your theme. So now you can see here. So before that we will add pages, and go to pages and click on add new. So pages, it's like about us as well as contact us as well as gallery, all those things. So I am going to add two pages now. One is about us, another one is contact us page. So two pages, about us, and in about us I'm just going to paste a small content here, a small content. So you can see here you have to paste your content. So if you want it in bold, you can make it in bold, and you can see here it always your content has to be pasted in visual, and beside that you can see text, small text tab. If you paste it here, it will be pasted in HTML format. So if you want to do any changes in HTML, you have to go to text and then you have to do it. So now in visual you can see how visually it looks like. So as soon as you add a text, so now I am going to add a small image. So in order to add an image, you have to click on add media and select files, and you have to upload that files. So now I'm going to upload my files. So yeah, website data, and I'm going to upload my banner, small banner. So I have uploaded my banner, so it's uploading. So basically any media, either it be video or either it be any audio or else any image, you have to upload it in media only. So once you click on add media, you can upload your files, and as soon as it gets uploaded, you can just select insert into page here. So now it's uploading, and just insert into page and media comes here. So you can select its alignment, as well as you can make it as a big size or else small size, all those things. So you have to just click on edit symbol, small pencil symbol, and click on full size, and it comes in the full size, and you can align it in center, right, like that, and click on update. So now you can see here I have uploaded a image. So along with image, so as soon as now you can see I have added an image as well as a text. So this is enough for my about us page, and I am going to publish it. So just click on publish, your page will be published. So once you click on publish, the publish button turns into update. So any post or else any page, once you publish it, you can only update it, you can't publish it again. So don't search for publish button again and again, you have to just click on update. That's all. Any updates you have, if you want to change, just click on update, and then you have to click on update. So now I'm going to check this page. You can see here, so this is my page. You can see about us, and of course it's not in menu, about us, and it has a small image as well as text. So you can see here, this is a sidebar, we will be removing it. So this is called right sidebar, and the left side we have left sidebar, as well as we have footer bar. So now we are going to add a small video to this image, and please remember, don't upload any video to your WordPress website directly. It decreases your website speed, and it takes more time, and even your bandwidth will be consumed in a lot level. So now how to embed a video? Upload it in YouTube. So upload your video to YouTube, and then take embed code from here, and then you have to embed it. So now if you see here, I am going to just take a small video. So I am going to take a small video of some songs. So yeah, so let's take, I have a cricket match, cricket highlights, and I want to just upload that video, or else embed that video on my website. So once you click the video, you have to just come down and just click on share button, and you can see small button here, embed. So once you click on embed, this is the embed code, copy it and go to your website backend, click on text. So any HTML code or else embed code, you should not paste it in visual. You have to go to text, and then you have to paste it here. So paste it and then update it. So if you paste it in visual, that code will be seen just like a text. You will not get your video. So just reload your website, and here if you come down, you can see your video. So that video has been embedded in my website, and 6 will do it. I can pass it, as well as I can make it a full screen. So every option which is available on YouTube, it is available here. So now let's take, you don't want player controls, you can deselect it and copy the code. If you don't want video title and player actions to be shown, you can deselect it and copy the code and paste it. So here, this is the way of putting videos on your website, and never upload it directly into your website, as it slows down your website. And now we are going to see how to add these pages to menu. So I'm going to add one more page, which is called contact us. So contact us, and I'm going to publish it. I'm not going to put any content, I'm going to just publish it. And so I have added a couple of pages, about us and contact us. So if you see here, my menu is blank. So I'm going to add a menu. Go to appearance, menus, click on menus, and in menus you can see all these pages which you have added. And now I am going to create a new menu. So I've just clicked on a new menu, and I am going to name it as main menu. So first you have to create a new menu, and then you have to name it. And so I'll put primary menu. So I've just put primary menu, and I'm going to add about us, contact us to my menu. So I'm going to add a home also. So yeah, home. And here you can see you will have an option to select it as main menu. So your menu will be shown as main menu only once you select it as main menu. Click on, if you miss this option, your menu will not be shown. So you have to check on main menu, and then you have to save menu. So now reload, I am reloading my website, and you can see home, contact us, and about us. If I click about us, the text content and image as well as video which I have added will be shown here. So now home, contact us, about us. I am going to rearrange it, home, about us, and contact us. So just dragging contact us and just leaving it below about us, and then saving my menu. So you can just reload it, and you can see home, about us, and contact us. So let's take, if I want to create a submenu, just drag it and drop it right side to little bit right side and save menu. You can see here, now you will not see about us, you can see only home and contact us. And once you hover on contact home, about us will be shown. So likewise, if I drag and drop it here, so my about us will be, my contact us will not be shown, and it will be shown as a submenu of about us. So this is the way of creating menus and submenus, and I am going to arrange it as a main menu only, home, about us, and contact us. So again, if you reload it, so you can see here home, about us, and contact us. So now what we are going to do is we are going to just remove this sidebar which you can see in about us page. So for each and every theme, if you want to configure colors, or else if you want to change this title, or else if you want to change this layout, all these things, you can do it in customize. You have to go to appearance and then customize. Any theme, once you install it, go to appearance, customize, and check out all the options, and then you can know what are the options you have which is available for the particular theme. So now I am going to check sidebars, and I am going to click on off. So I am off. I have just switched off my sidebar, and I am going to main styling. So if I have a logo, I can select a logo and I can upload it. So I have a small logo with me, so I am going to upload this logo, and you can see here this title will be changed as a logo. You can see here online, so the title has been changed as online store. You have a top bar where I can put like welcome my website to check it how it works, and just clicking on back, you can see here on top bar I am getting as welcome to my website, welcome to my site. So that is above logo. So likewise, you have search bar and social. If I switch off search bar, this search bar will not be visible. So that whole search bar has been removed. I am going to keep it on. And likewise, you have site background where you can change this white color background, and you have colors where you can change your color, site colors, all those things. And you have WooCommerce options. So here you can see header wish list icon. So if I switch on, you can see in this area I'll get a small heart symbol. So if users add a product to wish list, it will be shown here. So likewise, header cart as well as my account login link. So all these things you can add here. So now I am done with all the options. So I have some more options which I am not going to discuss here, as it consumes time, which are not necessary as well. So after making all the changes, you have to click on save and publish, and only if you click on save and publish, then only your changes reflects on your website. Until you click on save and so you can see this top bar here. So unless until you click on save and publish, your changes will not be shown. So as I told, appearance, customize, and you can customize your website. So now we are going to check what all the chapters we have covered. So I think I have covered up to here: theme installation, theme customization, e-commerce plugin installation, which is a WooCommerce plugin, adding pages, image and text, creating menu, and embedding a video. So now we are going to see how to integrate payment gateway. So this is a very important and a crucial step of a e-commerce website. So now we have only cash on delivery option. So we are going to install a payment gateway. So when I say payment gateway, we have many providers in India. So PayUbiz, PayUmoney, Builders, as well as CC Avenue. Personally, I prefer going with InstaMojo. So InstaMojo, which is a very good payment gateway, and they are very customizable, and you can get like very good facilities with them. And for each, and they will be charging you on each and every product sale, and for each and every product they will charge you some percentage, as well as they will charge you some amount of money, which is very less, and it should be somewhere 2 rupees out of your whole sale. So you can see here, this is the dashboard. So my InstaMojo dashboard. So InstaMojo is INSTAMOJO. So I am sharing you a small reference link in description of this YouTube video. You can check it. So if you are signing up to InstaMojo, sign up through that reference link. You will be getting 500 rupees of cashback. So once you can see here, refer and earn program. So I am just putting that link in my description. So you can just go to that link, and then you can sign up so that you can get 500 rupees of cashback. So now let's take, so in order to create InstaMojo account, you need to have a PAN card number, as well as you need to have a bank account number. I am not going to take you through this sign up process. As soon as you finish your sign up process, this is the dashboard which you land directly. So apart from this, you InstaMojo don't have any other background. So you have just one small simple background. So you have 10,000 rupees of limit as a newbie. So if you want to remove limit, you have to submit your PAN card as well as your any identity card as a proof, and then that limit can be removed, and you can take any amount of payment on your payment gateway. Until then, you will be able to get only 10,000 limit on your payment gateway. So here, so now what we are going to do is, we are going to just integrate this InstaMojo background to our website. So it's very simple. Just go to API and plugins. Just go to API and plugins, and come to the very bottom. And you can see here you have WooCommerce/WordPress. So just click on create new credentials and select WooCommerce. So you have CS card, PrestaShop, all these things. So I have already generated this for WooCommerce and WordPress. So I'm going to just use this login credentials only. So InstaMojo dashboard, backend dashboard, is connected to your website through a couple of references. So let's take links. One is client ID, another one is client secret. So in order to connect this particular client ID and client secret to your website, you have to install a new plugin. So go to plugins, click on add new. And install a plugin called, you can search plugins here, InstaMojo. So just search for InstaMojo. So InstaMojo is a very effective platform, very effective payment gateway as well. It has a lot more benefits when compared to other providers. So let's take PayUbiz as well as PayUmoney, or else even if you see Builders, all this has some negatives. But as a startup or as a starter, you better go with InstaMojo, because they are very dashboard, as well as their interface, as well as this, as well as their configuration. All these things are very friendly towards startups as well as starters. So I'm just clicking on install now, and it's installing. So as I told you already, you have to just click on install and then activate it in order to make it active, or else it will not get activated. So once you click on once you install InstaMojo plugin, just go to WooCommerce, which is you have to just hover on WooCommerce and click on settings, So here is the place where you can install, where you can configure your payment gateway. So just go to checkout tab. So you have general, products, tax, shipping, checkout, and accounts, emails, all these tabs. And okay, we'll go one by one. In general, you will have all the options which we have already configured. So you can see selling locations and shipping locations, all these things. So if any user who comes from other locations, if he can't place orders if you are not serving that location. Similarly, you will have options for products. So tax, if you want to charge any tax, you can change it here. And based on customer address also, you can change your tax. And I am just going to show you how to. So all these options which are all in these tabs, if you explore them, it's very understandable and it's very common man friendly. You need not to have any technical knowledge of that. Just go through all the options, then you will come to know what are all those options. So I'm just going to click on checkout, and you can see you in checkout options, you have bank transfer, check payments, cash on delivery, and PayPal, and InstaMojo. So InstaMojo came here just because we have installed InstaMojo plugin. So I am going to just change this title as pay online, and I am going to remove my description, and I am going to paste my client ID. So this is my client ID. I am going to paste it in client ID, and I have client secret as well. So I am going to copy client secret and then paste my client secret and just click on save. So once I click on save, my InstaMojo account and my website has been integrated. So this is a very simple process, and you need not to worry about this. Any amount which is transferred, I mean which comes from your website. So let's take, if a customer is adding 99 rupees product to his cart, that amount will be redirected to InstaMojo, and the customer can pay from InstaMojo. It has debit card, net banking, as well as credit card payments. And once customer pays it, it reflects on your InstaMojo dashboard, and the customer gets an text message as well as an email invoice, and you will be getting a text message and an email notification where it shows a customer has placed particular order on your website. So InstaMojo comes with a text notification facility as well as email notification facility. So it will be very useful for a startup company, and you need not to go separately for email solutions, or else you need not to go separately for SMS solutions. It's completely integrated in InstaMojo. So as soon as customer pays some amount on your website, it directly reflects in your InstaMojo dashboard, and it will be transferred to your bank account after 3 days after deducting their commission. So you can just check out InstaMojo plans here in www.instamojo.com. So now I am just closing InstaMojo window, as I have already configured it. So I have just went to settings, WooCommerce settings, and checkout, and InstaMojo. I have just pasted my client ID and client secret. That's it. Save changes. So now I have integrated a payment gateway as well. So I have done with the integrating payment gateway as well. So now we are going to add a product to our website and just check how it works. So before adding products, so let's take, if I am adding a TV, it has to come under electronics. So electronics is a category. So before adding any product, I have to add categories. So all products can be added through products option here. So these products came up here after we installed InstaMojo plugin. So not InstaMojo, after we installed WooCommerce plugin. So here I am just clicking on add product. So before adding product, as I told you, we have to add categories. So click on categories, and I am going to just add a small category, accessories, and I am going to leave select blank. I don't have any description, and I am going to just upload a small thumbnail image, so that if my category is being shown, that thumbnail will be shown. So I am going to click on use image, and I am going to click on add new category. So once I click on add new category, you can see here a product category has been added. So even though I didn't add slug has been added itself. And now I am going to add a product in accessories. So I am going to add a watch. So let's take it's a Titan watch. I have a small description for this option. So I am going to add, so not a watch, I am going to add sunglasses, and I have a description, and I am going to add this description as well. So I am going to add it in visual, so description as well. And I am going, and next thing is selecting your category. So unless you select this category, so this is a very important option, unless you select this category, your product will not be shown on the website. So setting exact category is very important. So you can see here, if I come down, I have some options here where I can add price. So let's take it's 1000 rupees, and sale price, regular price is 1000 rupees, and sale price is 800. So let's take I am giving it in offer, so it comes for 800. So you can check out inventory, you can check inventory as well. So if I select my SKU as 10, so you can't let's take you have only 10 sunglasses in your stock. So you can't come back every time and check whether anybody has placed order, or else whether you have to check whether it has reached a threshold, or you have to make it as out of stock, like that. But here it's completely automated. Once you put 10 here, as soon as 10 orders has been placed, it will be shown as out of stock. So you can just click on in stock here, and you can go to shipping. You can enter shipping, weight, dimensions, all these things. So if you have any shipping class, you can add it. If you have linked products, so let's take this is a sunglasses, and if you have sun pouches, if you have a product already, you can just type that product on your product name on your website and add it here. And yes, you have to set your product image. I am going to upload a product image. So yeah, just a sample image, not about exact sunglasses. I'm going to upload another image for gallery. So I have just uploaded it, and I clicked on add to gallery. So basically there are only three things. First thing is product name, description, price, and then inventory, category, and product images. So these are all the main things which you need to take care of in simple website. I am not getting into advanced options of this WooCommerce plugin. I am just going with simple options where you can do simple e-commerce website, and which is easily creatable. So now you can see here grouped product. So grouped product is basically a product which you can group with another product. So let's take I am buying a product. I am buying a camera, so a small digital camera, and let's take I am grouping it with pouch. So both of them becomes as grouped product, and if both of them has a price. So in Flipkart, Amazon, and all, you can see a camera along with a pouch comes for a different price, and only camera comes for different price, and pouch comes for different price. That is a grouped product. Similarly, you have affiliate product, where let's take you are selling your product on Amazon, and you have listing on your website. You can just click on affiliate product, and you can enter Amazon link there. So you can see here, as soon as I click on external product, it asks for URL as well as button text, all those things, and you can put Amazon URL here, and it redirects to Amazon. So I'm just going to add just a simple product which is available on your website and which can be paid on your website only. So I'm just going to paste it in a product description as well, short description. And here you can see you can add any WooCommerce element like product list or else product cart button or else product URL, all those things. So I'm just going to publish it. Any product which you add, first time it's publishing and the second time it is updating. So now I'm going to reload my website. If you come down, you can see category here and you can see recent product here. So once I click this product, it shows add to cart or else add to wish list. If I click on add to cart, it will be added to my cart. You can see here a cart has been upgraded. So if I want it to wish list, if I click on wish list, it will be added to wish list. You can see here my wish list has been updated. So you can see here. So this is an automated option. You are not doing anything here, not doing any external coding or else any Java coding, all these things. This is just user friendly, through which came through WooCommerce plugin. So you can see product image here as well as gallery images which we have added. So normally in Amazon or all the e-commerce websites, they will have some 3 or 4 images for particular product. So likewise, even you had a particular gallery here. And once you go into my account here, so you can see dashboard as well as orders which I have placed or else downloads and addresses where I can manage my address. So here it's showing my account. So if you go into incognito window and just type in your website address, my account will change as login or register. So my account will change as login or register. So on top, so it's not getting visible here due to my screen size. So but you can see login or register. Yeah, I'll show you. So you can see here login or register here. So once someone clicks register, they will be redirected to a login page where they can register username through username and password, and they can log in here as well. And once they put username and password, they will get a activation email through which they have to activate their email ID. So then only they will be able to log in. This whole thing happens through WooCommerce plugin only, and this is an automated process. You need not to do anything like coding, all those things. So similarly, WordPress is considering me like an user and it's showing a dashboard, a backend dashboard. So now I am going to place a small order here. So you can add any number of categories, you can add any number of products, and it will be shown in recent products, and the categories will be shown here horizontally. And of course, you can update these sliders as well. You have to go to just appearance, customize, and in customize window, you will have option for these sliders. So you have to just come down and here not in WooCommerce. So somewhere here you can see that particular slides where you can update the slides. So let me check this one. So yeah, here in WooCommerce homepage, you can see here slide 1 and slide 2. If you want a new slide, you can add new slide as well. So this is the place where you can add slides, and make sure you save and publish everything in customize page. And let's see whether I have covered. Yeah, you can see here I've added category and I have added product. So now we are going to add some coupons. So in WooCommerce, you have one more option where you can add coupons, and it will give some discount on customer's order. So in order to have a coupon, so you just go to WooCommerce and coupons. So just add a coupon, click on add coupon. So I am just going to give a small title to that coupon. So let's take it is ecom 123. This is coupon code. If you have a description, just put this description, and you can see here percentage discount as well as fixed card discount, fixed product discount. If you want to give any certain amount, any percentage amount on particular product of discount, you can provide it here, or else if it's a card discount, you can provide if someone reaches 1000 rupees of coupon, I mean product limit, shopping limit, you can provide discount, all these things. So just put I'm going to put 10%, and if you can put expiry date as well, I'm going to put some date, and usage restrictions. You can see if customer spends some minimum amount, he will get a, let's take if he spend 100 rupees, he will get 10% of discount. And the maximum spend, let's take if he spend maximum of 800 rupees, then he will spend a discount. Then you can provide here. If you want any particular products, you can enter here. If you want to exclude products, you can enter here. And for if you want to provide only electronic category products, you can enter in electronic. Here you can add accessories. So only for accessories, this coupon is available. So usage limits, you can limit usage limit per coupon. So you can put some 10 coupons are available. So per user, you can put only one coupon is available. So now I am going to publish it. So like this, you can add any number of coupons, and you can explore all these options one by one. And you can let me know if you get any problem with any option. You can just let me know in the comments, or you can drop me an email. I have provided my email ID in description. You can either drop me a small comment as well, where I can check your comment and answer you. So now I'm just going to add my product. This is my product. I'm going to add it to cart. So it's been already added. So it's just showing 2. I'm going to remove 1. Quantity I'm going to make it as 1, and I'm going to update my cart. So as I have a coupon, I'm going to apply that coupon. So it's showing 800 rupees. I am applying my coupon, and after discount, so you can see here coupon has been applied, and 10% is my discount, and 720 is the amount which I have to pay. So now let's see whether our payment gateway is working or not. So I'm going to just click on proceed checkout, and I'm going to place my order here. So let's take so India. So billing details, all these things. $270. Yeah, so okay, let me select this one. So phone number, I'm going to put some phone number, and email ID, I'm going to put some email ID. So let's take ecommerce123@gmail.com, and I'm going to, you can see here, if a person clicks on cash on delivery, he will get a small reference code, and it will go to cash on delivery order, and you can say here pay online option as well. If I click on pay online and place order, it will redirect me to my payment gateway, which I have integrated to InstaMojo. So you can see here it's been redirected to my payment gateway, and I can pay through credit card, debit card, net banking, as well as if I have wallets, Paytm wallet or else Mobivic wallet, I can pay it from here. So once I pay, my order will be placed. So now I am going to place it as cash on delivery. Place order. As soon as I place order, I will be getting a notification on my email as well as on my mobile. So you can see here order number and order date and total, and payment method is cash on delivery. So now I am going to check my account whether my order has been placed or not. So you can see here in orders, you can see my order, and status is processing, and in addresses you can see my address. So I can add any address here and I can edit it, and account details will have your account details, all the account details which you want. And now let's see where I can check my orders. So I am just reloading my backend, and you can see one symbol, one notification in orders. So I've just clicked on orders, and here you can see what is the order which user has placed, and you can see small complete as well as small view, and I'm going to click on view. So once I click on view, I have order date as well as what is the order status and what is the order which they have placed and how much they have placed. So now you can even select, so let's take, so you can see here order notes, payment to be made upon delivery, order status changed from pending payment to processing. So if someone puts it, if someone don't pays it, it will show you as pending payment. And you can select order actions as well. You can resend a new order or else resend cancel orders. So here, if you see here, you have order status. So let's take, if you are putting that order on hold, you can just click on hold and you can click on save order. So if user checks in his backend, it will show on hold. Or else let's take, if you want to put completed or else cancelled or else refunded, all these things, you can just put all the options here and then click on save order. So this is how you check your orders. And of course you have reports as well, where you can check your sales report, and you can see here last 7 days sales, it's showing 720, and how many orders has been placed and how many items has been placed. You can export it to CSV as well, and you can see how much worth coupons used and how much has been charged for shipping. So everything comes in this sales report. It's sales by date. You can check sale by product and category as well, and the coupons which they have used, and you can check customers, which customers has paid, how many signups has happened, and how many guest sales has happened, and you can see your customer list here. So you can see this is my customer list, which so this is the only customer which I have now, so that's why it's showing only one customer list. And you can see what are all the orders which are placed by that particular customer, and you can see what is the stock report. So no, if you have any out of stock, it will show out of stock. You can see in most out of stock. And taxes, you can see how taxes are going on. So all these things, it comes in WooCommerce plugin only. So now you can see here, so I have finished a complete e-commerce website without even doing one line of coding. So I have a integrated cart, payment gateway, wish list, products, categories, all these things, and it's just a very simple process, and you have to just explore it. So you can do anything in WooCommerce plugin, and make sure you follow all the instructions one by one, and never lose anywhere. Like installing a plugin and not activating it will not yield any result. So make sure you follow all these options, and if you have any doubts, or queries, just drop me a small comment in the below, and do subscribe and like to my channel for more videos. Thank you very much.